Designing, planning and planting a new garden is easy, you know, if you've got an absolutely clear palette. The tricky bit really is established gardens and trying to keep them in balance and under control. For example, this shrub, Hypericum hidcote, it's a really lovely thing in full flower, but I've just let it get too big. It's come out and out over the lawn, and now I have decisions to make. I could dig it out, start again, you know, the easy clear palette idea, or as it happens this will respond well to pruning and I can cut it really hard back. The sensible thing to do would have been start a bit earlier, and when it was half this size cut out 1/3 at a time and just reduce it. But there we are, it's a beautiful thing and I couldn't bite the bullet. We often get asked, mind, in established gardens about coping with shade. I mean, here I've got the tree peony and the really dark Japanese maple, and the problem of planting things that will grow in shade and in competition with the roots. And what I've done is to switch to container grown plants with hostas that will take shade in pots at the back, and each one of them, as it happens, is in a container, so that when they're watered in summer when it's hot, those sources catch a bit of moisture. And out here where there is a bit more sunlight, then I've got the flowering plants which enjoy much more sunshine. There's one thing I do have to do. They're all standing on a sheet of polythene and I need to bring in a bit of chip bark or some decorative mulch just to hide that, and as the plants grow I can lift one out and give them a bit more space. It really is the easy, colourful way to cope with shade.